Watching him dash away, swinging an old bouquet, dead roses, sake and strange divine. You'll make it. Passion with bright young things takes him away to war. Don't fake it, sagging the sandal strings. You'll make it. We'll love a lot insane. Battle cries and champagne, just in time for sunrise. We'll love a lot insane. Motor sensational, Paris or maybe hell. I'm waiting, patches of sad remains. Waits for a lad insane. You'll make it. We'll love a lot insane. Millions sweet fountain, just in case of sunrise. We'll love a lot insane. We'll love a lot insane. Love a lot
First the mic, then a half cigarette, seeing Kathy's clown. That's the man she's married to now. That's the girl that he takes around town. She appears composed, so she is, I suppose. Who can really tell? She shows no emotion at all. Stares into space like a dead China doll. You're never gonna know you now, but I'm gonna gonna love you anyhow. Now she's done and they're calling someone, such a familiar name. I'm so glad that my memory's remote, 'cause I'm doing just fine. How to know to know. Here it is, the revenge to the tune. You're no good, you're no good, you're no good, you're no good. Can't you tell that it's well understood? I'm never gonna know you now, but I'm gonna love you anyhow. Here today, expected to stay on and on and on. I'm tired, I'm tired. Looking out on the substitute scene, still going strong. It's okay, it's alright, nothing's wrong. Tell Mr. Man with impossible plans to just leave me alone, in the place where I make no mistakes, in the place where I have what it takes. I'm never gonna know you now, but I'm gonna love you.